And I'm going to pick up right here in this video right where we left off in the last one, and I'm going to do one more example, except this time we're going to have a remainder, and I'm going to show you guys how to deal with that. So just jumping right into it here, you can see here that I listed my dividend and my divisor in order, in descending order according to their degrees. I have no missing terms, right? This has an x cubed, x squared, x, and a constant term. I'm not missing any of these pieces, so we're good. And I can just start dividing right away, right? So first pieces that I have to divide are 3x cubed divided by 3x. So first of all, 3 divided by 3 is 1. X cubed divided by x is going to leave me with x squared. Okay, and now I have to multiply back through. So x squared times 3x gives me 3x cubed. Again, if that doesn't work out the right way, if these two numbers right here don't match, then I have a problem. I did my division wrong. And now I have to do x squared times 1, which is just x squared. So now I've done the first two steps, divide and multiply. Now I need to subtract. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, those two cancel out. Negative 5x squared minus another 1x squared should give me negative 6x squared. So now I've done my subtraction, and now I have to bring down my next piece, right? So I bring down that 10x, and I start my steps all the way over again. So I'm going to do negative 6x squared divided by 3x. Well, negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. X squared divided by x is just x. And once my division is done, I can multiply back through again. So negative 2x times 3x is negative 6x squared. And negative 2x times 1 is just negative 2x, and I'm subtracting, right? What did I do? Oh, I did something stupid. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6x squared, right? Remember, if these two numbers don't match, I did something wrong. This should have been negative 6x squared, right? So subtracting negative 6x squared minus negative 6x squared, those go away, and we're at 0. And let's see, 10x minus negative 2x is actually going to give me positive 12x. And again, I need to bring down my last term now, which is negative 3. Okay, so let me try and scroll here a little bit, give me some more room. Negative 3x divided by, 12x divided by 3x is actually just going to give me a positive 4. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 1 is positive 4. I need to subtract, and positive 12x minus 12x, those cancel out. But negative 3 minus 4 actually leaves me with negative 7. And my issue now is that I have this negative 7 here left over, but 3x does not divide into negative 7. Negative 7 doesn't even have an x, so it can't be evenly divided by 3x, okay? So the way that we are going to treat this leftover piece down here is like this. So let's look at my answer. I have x squared minus 2x plus 4, x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then I'm left over with this negative 7, but this piece, this negative 7, has not been divided by 3x squared plus 1. It's left over. The 3x squared plus 1 doesn't go into here. It's too big. And so I have this leftover negative 7 that has yet to be divided by 3x plus 1. And so this is how I have to write my answer, okay? This last remainder piece is going to be written as a fraction where the divisor is going to go into the denominator of that fraction, and the remainder is going to go here in the numerator. So when you divide 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 10x minus 3 by 3x plus 1, you get a quotient of x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus 7, which was the remainder, and that 7 still needs to be divided by 3x